welcome back to my Minecraft video. And for today's video, me and my friend going to have build battle. And sorry, I don't have my skin because this is new Minecraft. And now, in this build battle, you are going to judge, and I'm going to judge who's the best house. Just comment down below who's the best house. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video, okay? I'm very... Subat ko? Ay, yeah. Okay, may the best house win. Okay, and please comment down below what do you think is the winner, and I'm going to judge and you're going to judge who's the winner. Okay, guys, and comment down below who's the winner. I think this one is first place. I don't know. This is nice. Okay. I think this one is third place because it's kinda not so nice, and I know it's not finished, but I know this is a pretty bad house build. He doesn't know how to build. And this one is kinda going to second place. I don't know. Just a guess. Who's going to win? Me or them? I mean, I don't know. I don't have a house, so not me. Is Ayan going to win? Or Soap? No, this is not Soap. This is Sophia. It just doesn't know how to spell. His age is 6 years old. Is a tiny player. And I mean, his age is 6 years old. He's just a kid, so like me, just a kid. But he doesn't know how to build. But I'm 11 years old, so I'm okay. And that is 6 years old, so he doesn't know how to build. And this is a Minecraft Pro, but his age still at 6 years old, the same as Sophia. His name is, I don't know how to pronounce his name. But this is, how old is this? Yan, how old are you?
I'm 9.
Okay, did you hear that? Yan is 9 years old. I mean, Ayan is 9 years old. Ayan nickname is Yan. So that is nickname. And this one, his nickname is kay Brian. This nickname is Brian. Then this nickname is Soaping. And this house is kinda pro house. This is going to be in first place. I know that in my mind. So, what do you think going to be first place? What do you think going to be in first place? But me, I know this is the first place because this is the nicest house ever. How I am kidding. This is the best house ever. I mean, no, this is not the best house. I just say. I'm kind of dizzy right now. This is the second house winner of today's. And this is the first house winner. I think this is not the first place winner. No, I'm kind of dizzy right now. This is the first place winner, third place winner, and second place winner. See, I told you his house is kinda ugly. I don't know. He's not the best Minecraft pro ever. Maybe I will time the timer, like 10 minutes or like 30 minutes and the timer will stop. 30 minutes and the build button stop. I mean maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, it's getting night time. Okay, it's almost going to be like, I feel like this is the best house ever. See? Hey, who's putting creeper in this place? Excuse me, creeper. So dark. I don't like dark house. This one. Nice house, but I kind of like it have light. Light it up. I mean, light it up. Light the place up. I think I'm going to break that so that, and then like that. No, I mean like that and that. Finish. Hinay lang. Okay, like that. Sorry about the noise. We are playing outside. We are playing outside. Okay, sorry about all the noise because we are playing outside, outdoor. Are not playing inside, so the noise will be so noisy. Like lots of people going outside and talking about and yelling because they are far away, so they can't hear it. Okay. Okay, I know this quarantine, but this is the place that Yan, you can't go in your house. Okay, now you can. Okay. So, Peep, why are you in Yan's house? Okay. Okay, so, comment down below. Who's the best house? I think this house is even better, but I feel like it's missing some windows in the front. Yes, right. Missing some windows in the front. It needs windows like that. And this one is, the timer is at 2 minutes. It's so, 2 minutes. How is that possible? Okay. Maybe I will just time it to 10 minutes. That's all, or 20 minutes. Just the timer, and it's not so creeper, guys, okay? I feel like I feel like this is I feel like this is going to be number 1. It's kind of nice in the inside. In the inside, it's kind of nice. This house is not bad, but it's still missing some details inside your house. I feel, sorry about that noise. It's kind of just outdoor. There's always going to be motorcycles out there. I feel like this house is missing something. It's kinda not so great. Like Brian has everything in his house. He had lots of stuff. He had lots of stuff. Nice. See? Look at it. Lots of details. Nice, but Brush is missing something too. It's missing some tables. Right. It's missing some tables. Okay. Where's Yan, by the way? Yan, are you making another house?
Yes.
Why? That house over there is kind of nice, but that house over there is... Yan, do you want me to break this house?
Yes.
Do you want me to TNT this house?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to TNT this house. He said it doesn't like this house. So, no choice. Boom, boom. There you go. Yan said doesn't like his house. So, this is what he said. TNT his house. Because he doesn't like his house, so TNT it. To have more space in this build battle, so Sophia can go on. Yan, the time is almost up. Okay, I think not so bad, but I think the time is kinda not. Sorry about that noise because it's just outside. Neighbors kinda noisy. Okay, there you go. Nice and nice. Oh, wow, this house is kinda making the video so nice. Great, you're going to number 1. You're the one who should go to number 1. Sorry about that, just this dog right here. Okay, nice. And this house is kinda blackish. It feels like missing some. Oh my goodness, my eyes hurt. Yan is going other place. Other place. Sorry about that noise. I'm sorry about that noise. Just the neighbors sound noisy. Doesn't understand that, okay? Okay, this house kinda nice too. We're going to second place. And this house is going to be first place. That even has swimming pools? Oh wow. The only thing it's missing is something. And this house going to third place. Ugly. So ugly. Ah! I hate this house. See, look at this house. So detailed. I mean, not really have much details, but this house is kind of millionaire's house. Even have some farm. See? I mean, not kind of millionaire's house, but it's kind of nice. Have farm, swimming pools to swim around, and a... See, look inside the house, but it's kind of missing some chairs and tables. And some gigantic slime. See, the slime wants Sophia's house because it's kind of ugly. Hey, you slime, you are not allowed here. I mean, you are not allowed here. Milk. There you go. Burn, you silly slime. There you go. Burn, you silly slime. There you go. Yay, my favorite slime, tiny slime. Okay. Ooh, I know this sauce kind of lovely. I think this going to be... but not so lovely enough. But it had some details on the roof. It's kind of nice. Now it have some details. Now it's kind of nice with tables, with chairs, with nice. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to fix that. I'm sorry. There you go. Okay. This house is kind of nice. Nice. This is going to be in second place, first place, and third place. I know whoever got the first place will, I don't know. See, it's kind of nice. This is Brian. This is Brian, my friend, building house. So nice, and this one so ugly. Her name is Sophia, the ugly maker house. And this is Yan Yan. Yep, Yan Yan. Ayan P. Salvilla. Because Yan 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 is a nickname for Ian. Sorry about that noise. It's just neighbors running around from outside. I'm not inside my house, okay? I'm outside my house. So that is the neighbors are noisy, okay? Okay, so this is Sophia making his pretty ugly house. This is Brian making his beautiful house, and this is Ayan making his perfect house. And okay, this is the house there. Pretty good house. Timer is almost done. 5 more minutes and the time will stop. Okay? 5 more minutes and the time will stop. 5 more minutes and the time will stop. Five more minutes, time will stop. Five more minutes. Sorry about that rooster. Just not so fun. 5 more minutes and the time will stop. 4 more minutes and the time will stop. 3 more minutes and the time will stop. 'I think this pool is kind of been glitchy. This is going to be an ugly pool. This point will be out, so the details was going to be gone. This is an ugly pool. How am I? Just happened fix the pool. Not enough. There, what should I know there? I know how. He didn't put water here. Down here, didn't put water. I know where he didn't put water. Down here, 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 here. Here, 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 here. Now everything's fixed. See? That's everything. The Nyan Nyan's pool, not so much fixed. Let me get it. There you go, fix. Fix as fix. Who's going in third place will be Soledad because I'm going to I'm going to TNT the third placer's house. What? This is kind of so. Jumps up. Oops, nope, dangerous. Jump, climb the ladder, and jump. Nope. So, nope, nope, no. Okay, that's it. Now. Okay, perfect. Perfect, that's it. Okay, now down. Now, what is this? Okay, we'll help Sophia. Sophia fix the house. Okay there, sorry about that noise. It's just kinda the thing. Yes, that's everything. No. No, not TNT. I'm sorry, but I can't help it. Sorry about that noise. Just the neighbors is kinda just noisy here. This is everyone's. Everyone is just being themselves, so it's noisy. Another thing. Wow, so great chair! It's just a millionaire's house. And this one's going to be in still second place. It's not gonna, this house kinda, millionaire's house. This house is kinda nice and nice. This going to second place. That one going to be third place over there. Still third place because it's still ugly. This one is going to be in second place. It just needs some more details. The details I need is just you need a garden. I want lots and lots of flowers. Kinda nice. Plants, some wood, trees, grass, and some fish pond, I think. And some water and some hole. Oh, I'll help you. Nope. Punk. Okay, no, not there. Okay. This is kind of pretty and nice, and this is just going to make my eyes some nice shines in the light. And this house kind of still in second place. If Yan just didn't go to other place, if just Yan just build this house over here, didn't break, and just didn't go out, and then he will be in first place. Okay, one more minute, and the time will go out. Okay, now and just. Just 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. And the time will stop. Okay. Timer finish. Time's up. Bawal na no more building sa house. Dad, humana ayo na paghimo. Ping humana paghimo. Ping humana ayo na paghimo. Okay, now I'm going to judge. Who's the winner? Okay. First placer. Third placer will be dun 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 dun. Ayun, maghimo. Third place. Number 3. The second placer is Yan. Second place. And the first place is Brian, the winner. The winner. First place. And the first place if the first place is the winner. Okay? If you like the video, subscribe for more Build Battle House. Okay? Subscribe for more Build Battle House. Look at the inside of Yanyan's house. Nice. 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 Okay. So, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below who do you think is the best house ever. Who's the winner to you? Sophia, Brian, or Yan. Thank you for watching. Bye.